Hello and welcome to City Source. I'm Suzette Reed. Many adults in the workforce wish they had known more about career choices before starting a work life. It's those important details that can make a difference between enjoying work and just surviving it. In Charlotte, the mayor's youth employment program is blazing a trail for ambitious youngsters who want to know their options. It recently teamed up with Discovery Place in Carolina's healthcare system to teach bright kids about the healthcare field. Dan Hayes reports.
Think about this. You're a Charlotte high schooler leaning toward a medical career or some other where technology meets anatomy.
Radiologist, cardiothoracic surgeon, mortuary science, there you go.
Real-life information would be good, and encouragement. All of us need encouragement.
You know, we don't allow people who are under 16 to volunteer at Discovery Place, but because you've shown such initiative, we're going to let you volunteer. And so I volunteered at Discovery Place for about 2 years, but it was literally my first job. Now, I tell you that story because a lot of times you're going to be trying to do things in your lives, and people are going to tell you no. But for you, you have to open that door. You have to be willing to create opportunities for yourself.
And off they go, discovering medical terms and technologies that will shape their lives and ours.
And also they have large olfactory bulbs. These are for the sensation of smell.
If someone has coronary heart disease, those vessels could be clogged up. It's very easy to see that restriction or looks like a big lump inside the vein or the artery.
You can see the models of the valves that open and close when the heart contracts and relaxes to pump the blood from the lungs to get oxygen to go around the body and deliver the oxygen and nutrients to your body.
Push hard and push fast. And the rest of you sing. Ready? Staying alive, staying alive, ah, ah, ah. There you go.
Staying alive, staying alive, ah, ah.
Very good. Very good. You got to be a little bit quicker. You can program any type of scenario that you want, from the beginning level learners where maybe you're just learning how to communicate with the patient or do a basic assessment, to advanced level learning where maybe the patient actually needs advanced life support measures.
So just hold it just like that. Don't even move.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
There you go.
So pretty. It's a very little hole. Okay.
All right, let's see what you got.
Did I get it now?
You did. Congratulations. Awesome.
Thank you.
Now your job is to teach her how to do it.
Okay.
That's your next one.
Okay.
It's called an intubation, and basically what they're doing is they're putting a tube into the airway, and that's the way that we're able to breathe for the baby. Sometimes babies can't breathe for themselves, so we have to do it for them.
And we've done several studies. I can tell you everybody can learn this. It all has to do with how much you practice.
Dr. Stefanidis introduced the students to a simulator which hones the manual skills of surgeons in training.
Yeah, now release. There you go. See, it's doable. It just needs practice and the proper guidance, right?
Okay, my career goal in life is to be a cardiothoracic surgeon.
I want to be a pediatrician to take care of children and toddlers and infants.
I've always wanted to become a doctor ever since I was younger. I've always wanted to help people. And my goal is to become a doctor and go overseas and help those who need it.
What's the prescription for a successful medical career?
You're not going to want to spend the effort and the time going through a healthcare program, whether that be a 2-year nursing program or a 6 or 8 year residency program, if you don't have a compassion or a care for patient care.
I hurt my finger a long time ago. I had to go to physical therapy. I thought that was pretty cool, how to help you get back to normal. I wanted to do it myself.
Secondarily, they have to have some intelligence. They have to be ready to do the work, because healthcare education is difficult and challenging. These were a bright group of students we had here today.
Medicine is a solid career choice for youngsters like these. But stay tuned. Discovery Days for young people with different talents are on the way. Check the Mayor's Youth Employment Program site at myep@charlottenc.gov for more information, or give them a call. For City Source, I'm Dan Hayes.